In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Hostinger Coming Soon page in just 5 minutes. This can be a bit of an unexpected step in your website building journey, especially if you're eager to share your brand new site with the world. So let's dive in and I'll guide you through each step. To start, you'll need to go to Hostinger's website, open up your preferred web browser and type in Hostinger, or simply enter the URL directly. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, we need to log into your account. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. This will bring you directly to your account dashboard where you can manage all your hosting services. After logging in, we'll proceed to select website from the options available in your dashboard. This section is your command center for managing your domains and all website related activities. Once there, you should see the list of websites you've set up on Hostinger. Now it's time to select edit website. You might have a few options here, but the one you're looking for is typically beneath the overview of the site you want to work on. Clicking edit website will open up a more detailed view of your website's current setup. In this detailed view, there will be various options indicating different parts of your website. For the purpose of removing the Coming Soon page, you'll now need to navigate to the blogs you're hosting a website builder. This section is designed to help you customize the appearance and content of your site and offers a broad range of editing tools. Within the website builder, keep an eye out for the option labeled Edit Coming Soon page. This is the key to removing or altering the placeholder page that visitors currently see if they try to access your site. Once you find it, click on it to open the editing interface. From here you have a few options depending on how you want to proceed. If you're ready for your site to go live, you can disable the Coming Soon page entirely, allowing visitors to see your actual content. Alternatively, if you just want to update or customize the information on that page for now, you might choose to edit it with your own text and graphics. Whichever path you choose, be sure to save your changes at each step to ensure they're implemented. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've transitioned your website from the Hostinger Coming Soon page to whatever you want your visitors to see. This process might seem a little technical at first, but by following along closely, you can easily manage the online presence of your website with confidence. Happy website building!